Welcome to the Euroloy Cutting Tools app. Designed for professionals in the cutting tool industry, this app provides quick access to essential tools and information. Let's explore its features together. First, we have the Catalogs section. Here, you can browse through our full range of Euroloy cutting tools, inserts, and spare parts. Our catalogs are organized by application, including turning, milling, threading, and drilling. Each catalog provides detailed information and specifications. Whether you need a specific tool or want to explore new options, everything is just a tap away. You can easily search for the product you want within the catalog. Next, we have the Calculation tool. This feature helps you quickly calculate different technical formulas for optimal machining performance, such as cutting speed, table feed, tolerance, and so on. Say goodbye to manual calculations. Our app does the work for you. One of the most powerful tools in this app is the Insert Converter. If you need to find equivalent Euroloy inserts from different brands, this tool will help you match them instantly. Simply enter the details and get the right alternative in seconds. Lastly, we have the Contact section. Need assistance or have a question? Reach out to our team directly through the app. We're always here to support you. The Euroloy app is your ultimate cutting tool assistant. Download it today and experience efficiency like never before.